Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how much money you get for 1,000 views on YouTube for one video. So I'll go ahead and find a video here on my channel that has 1,000 views. If you guys are new, subscribe, check it out. It's about GTA 5 online and cars. Really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, I found this video right here. It has exactly 1,008 views. And if you look over here on my estimated revenue, 70 cents for 1,008 views. You guys can see that exactly right there. 1,008 views, lifetime views for that video. And if you go to the revenue, 70 cents. So 703 pennies pretty much is what that's saying. So yeah, hope that answered your guys' question. If you guys are new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.